Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today we are going to make a simple drink that is sweet and refreshing. Grass jelly drinks with Longan. With only 4 ingredients, this is just a dessert on a hot afternoon day. We need 1 tube or 260 grams of sweetened grass jelly, 1 can or 565 grams of Longan, 2 cups of ice, some plucked mint leaf for decoration. With this amount, it is just enough for 4 servings. If you find it too sweet, you can add more ice. Let's prepare the drinks. Open a can of Longan. Pour all the content of the Longan into the glass bowl. Now scoop in all the ice. Try not to add in the melted ice. If you find that the syrup is too sweet, add in more ice. Give it a mix to evenly distribute the temperature. Set it aside. Next, cut the grass jelly into half. To remove it from the tube, cut a small tip of the tube so that the air can help to push out the grass jelly from its packaging. Now the grass jelly can come out easily. If you have the crinkle cutter, you can use it to make pretty texture. If you don't, a normal knife works as well. Cut the grass jelly vertically. Be careful as the grass jelly is quite slippery. Now cut the grass jelly slice vertically into half. Next, cut the slices horizontally to bite size. We are done cutting the grass jelly. Now we can assemble the drinks. This drink can be enjoyed in a glass or in a bowl. Add in some grass jelly. Next, scoop in the chilled Longan and the syrup. Add in some ice. And top it with some mint leaves. It is done. Let's have a taste. Wow, so refreshing. The dessert is sweet and cold. The Longan is fresh and crisp. The grass jelly is chewy and fun to eat. Very delicious. Thank you for watching. Please share if you like this grass jelly recipe and subscribe for more simple home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye bye.